Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an anti-haul slash wish list of all the new skincare releases on the market. I have noticed that in the past couple of weeks there has been quite a few releases, and before that for a while we didn't see anything released on the market. I am definitely interested in some of them, and others I will be skipping on. So that's what I will be doing today. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. So in order to do the research for this video, I looked on two major websites. Number one was Sephora.com. For whatever reason, US market always gets the new releases first. And then I looked at Cultbeauty. The first product I want to talk about is by the brand Necessaire. And I know that Necessaire recently launched in the UK as well on Space NK. So we are able to get it there. And it is also available on Sephora.com. They recently launched a deodorant. I will pop a picture of it right here. I'm not sure if I would pick it up. I'm currently using a Vichy one. I think once I finish that, I might actually try this one out, and hopefully by then we will have a little bit more reviews about this product, because right now the reviews are a little bit mixed. Some people really like it, others say that it does nothing. The next products I saw are basically under Deciem and The Ordinary specifically. We have three new hair care products. We've got the shampoo, conditioner, and a scalp serum. I actually already made an order on Sephora, and I did pick up the shampoo and the conditioner. And by the way, the shampoo, it does say that you can also use it on your body, but I didn't notice that there was a new hair serum, so I completely skipped on that, and I only realized when I was doing the research for this video. I might pick that up later on once it becomes available on Cultbeauty, because it's just a lot easier for me to ship stuff to me from Cultbeauty rather than from Sephora US. And I did see somewhere online that this line from The Ordinary will be available on Cultbeauty on the 8th of March. Not sure when this video will be up, but hopefully by the time this video is up, these are available on Cultbeauty. But till now, I still haven't gotten my hands on them. They're still in the shipping process. To be honest with you guys, I am very interested in trying this shampoo, because I know that there has been a lot of fear-mongering around sulfates in the past, I would say maybe decade. But looking back at my childhood, I used to use sulfate shampoos all the time, and I never really had any allergy towards it or any bad reaction whatsoever. And honestly, a lot of these shampoos were really good to my hair, and I did have really nice hair. That could have been because I was a kid, and of course with age things change. But I am excited to try a new sulfate shampoo. And I want to say that since I moved on to non-sulfate shampoos, I was never able to find a specific shampoo that I really love. And that says a lot to me, that this might be the next big thing, that a lot of people might realize that sulfates aren't as bad as we thought they were, and that a lot of people will enjoy them. Because for whatever reason, every time I use a drugstore shampoo that does have sulfate, like from Pantene or from Head & Shoulders or Herbal Essences or whatever, I do like that clean feeling they give me, and honestly they never really irritate my hair or my scalp. The only thing I notice with them is that they dry out my hair. So if you can get like a lower percentage of sulfates with some nice moisturizing ingredients for the hair strands, that might be my next favorite thing. So I have high hopes for this. I cannot wait to try it out and report back to you guys. Okay, enough about this launch by The Ordinary. Let's move on to a face oil that's newly released on Cultbeauty by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Collagen Superfusion Oil, 30 ml, and that's going to retail for £60 for 1 fluid ounce. It does have some nice ingredients in it. I did see that it's got avocado oil, raspberry seed oil, olive fruit oil, and it has evening primrose oil and babassu oil as well. So all of these oils are quite nice oils, and a lot of them are quite luxurious, but I'm not sure if it justifies the £60 price. I will be skipping on this. I'm not gonna purchase it. I love my Sunday Riley oils, They are up there in price, but I can definitely see a difference when I use them. And I will wait for reviews about this, and if it's nothing special, I will be skipping on it. Tan Luxe, which is, by the way, the same owner of Tan Luxe owns Bioma. And if you don't know what Bioma is, it's a new skincare brand that I recently reviewed on my channel. And I actually didn't know that the owner is the same for both brands. I just thought I would put that out. They have a new release and it's called the Creme, and it's 65 grams and it's going to retail for 39 pounds. This is essentially a gradual face and neck tanning cream. And I have never actually tried self-tanning. I know that might sound a little bit weird to some of you, but honestly, I have never tried it ever. And for whatever reason, I am interested in trying self-tanning this summer. And this might be a brand I'm gonna look into, and this might actually be a product I will purchase. It is a little bit pricey, but honestly, when I'm trying something new, I do want to buy a high quality one first and then maybe try to experiment with cheaper options. We also have a new product by Briogeo, and it is geared towards your scalp. It's a shampoo that has salicylic acid and some AHAs in it. It's going to retail for 36 pounds, and it is made to tackle dandruff. I really like this line from Briogeo. I don't like all their lines, but the ones that I tend to like, I actually love, not just like. And I do really like their charcoal scalp scrub. I love that. And I am interested in trying this, but it's a little bit pricey for me. I might wait for a sale and then pick it up, especially that I'm using other scalp products at the moment. I want to finish those and then maybe try this out then. But for now, I will be skipping on it. Okay, we have quite a few new sunscreens, and you know guys, I love sunscreens. And we're moving into spring, and I can see a lot of brands coming out with new sunscreens. So we have here, I think, 4 new ones, and I already picked up one of them, and that's the one by Glow Recipe. It's called the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50 ml, and it is for $34. I am interested in a lot of Glow Recipes product, especially since recently. For whatever reason, I always thought they were gimmicky. Every product I try from them seems to work well. So I am excited about this. I did pick it up with the same Sephora haul that I picked up the Ordinary shampoo and conditioner from. So it should be coming to me in the next few days. And of course, I will do a full review on that on my channel. Another brand that has come out with a new sunscreen is actually Supergoop. They have come out with 100% chemical sunscreen, and it's the Every Single Face Watery Lotion SPF 50 ml, and does retail for $34. I am interested in this, but I'm gonna hold on a little bit before I purchase it. I want to see some reviews, and then if it's good, then I will purchase it. But I will wait maybe for summertime. That is when I really like to reach for SPF 50 and chemical sunscreens. Another product that I'm very interested in, but it's quite pricey, it is by the brand Tatcha, and it's a mineral sunscreen. It's called the Silk Sunscreen Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF 50 PA++++ with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It's like we are seeing niacinamide in almost everything now. It is 50 ml and retails for $68. It's very pricey, but I am so interested in trying it, and it does have some really nice reviews on Sephora. Now, I don't trust the reviews on Sephora so much, but I would expect it to have a lightweight feel because it is by Tatcha, and a lot of their products feel super lightweight. So I am torn on this one, but I do see myself picking it up sometime in the future. Maybe with a VIB sale. The final sunscreen that I have on this list is by the brand Laneige, and it is called the Hydro UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50 ml, and retails for $30. So not super pricey. I am interested in trying it out. I do like a lot of Korean sunscreens. They tend to have a lighter feel on the skin, and I am excited about this. I will be picking it up for sure. Let's move on to double cleansing. We have a new product by First Aid Beauty. It's called the 2-in-1 Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. You get 150 ml for $26. So quite affordable. I mean, not super affordable, of course. It's not a drugstore price, but it's not also super high-end. And you do get 150 ml, which is a decent amount. And again, the reviews on this are mixed, but I will be picking it up to try it out for you guys and do a review on it. And I do want to see whether it really removes makeup or not. Some reviews said it does, and the same reviews say that it does leave the skin quite hydrated. Others were saying that it doesn't remove waterproof makeup and it left their skin dry. So again, everybody has different skin and we have different experiences with the same product, but I want to try it out and review it for you guys, so it is going to be on my wish list. The final product I have on this list is a product by the Inculst, and it's their Mandelic Acid Treatment. 15 ml, and it retails for £10, and it does have 10% mandelic acid. Honestly, I'm not interested in this at all. I feel like I'm a little bit over that point where I want to try all the acids on the market, this and that. I don't know, I'm just not interested in this. I did try mandelic acid in the past, the one by wishlist, and I did like it, but I never felt like I liked it enough in order to repurchase it, if that makes sense. And I currently have a lot of exfoliating treatments that I need to go through. I also feel like it's a little bit expensive. I mean, it's not expensive, but it's also not that cheap, if that makes sense, because you're only getting 15 ml and retails for £10. So yeah, you're not getting much, but it's 10%, so I don't know, maybe that's why it's a little bit more pricey. But anyway, I will be skipping on this. I might try it out in the future, but for now, it's a no. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to do something a little bit different from my regular content. I would love to know if you're planning on picking up any of these products or what you think of some of them. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for my future content. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!